Welcome once again to Fairy Garden Thursday, hosted by Grandma Sandy, co-hosted by Sharon Shinogle, Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley, and myself. Today I thought I'd take you out by my garden bridge. It is really starting to look pretty. I have some petunias, some mums, some hostas, and there's also Mr. and Mrs. Gnome. This metal little bridge we ordered from Amazon quite a few years ago, and it is held up really nicely. So here we have the pink petunias, very pretty, and my maroon mums. Now they are blooming on this side of the bridge, but the other side they haven't quite started blooming yet. And then I have my barrels, my hostas, which are also flowering. Isn't that pretty? And here we have a close-up of the beautiful Mrs. Gnome. Now she was thrifted a long time ago, and we also have some grasses in the garden. And here's the other side with Mr. Gnome. Again with the beautiful grasses, the pink petunias, and this mum. I'm not sure if it's the burgundy mum. I think it might be yellow. More hostas. And I have my orange barrel here with a little sunflower on top. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. And I also want to give a big thank you to Grandma Sandy for hosting this. And remember, if you would like to participate with us, just hashtag Fairy Garden Thursday. See you next week. Bye-bye for now. Enjoy the rest of the video.
ちが踊る夜魔法の世界へ君と一緒にこの森を歩く手をつないで幻想の夜に小さな小鳥たちが秘密をささやいてる遠くの月が微笑む二人